quickly before we get into this video. So I'm gonna be telling you guys how to get curls, like, you know, instant curls basically overnight. So yeah, stick with me throughout the video and watch to the end. So by the way, before we get into this video, keep in mind that I recorded it from like my phone, so it's not going to be edited professionally and all that, but yeah, it's still something. I'm trying to, you know, grow, so stick with me and bear with me, and let's get into it. Alright, so look, so yeah, that's some of this. Alright, so we got this. The sizes can, like the amount, it can depend on how long the hair is. You want to use like, so like a squeeze, like one squeeze every inch. So since like my hair is long, about 5 inches, I got like 5 squeezes. Yeah. Alright, and then we just wanna massage it in. Get the insides. Hey you. I need that hair bit. Yeah, I need that hair bit, but yeah, just get the inside. Massage it in. And then just rinse it off. Yeah. Massage it in for like a good 30 seconds or so. Alright, and then once you're done, just, if you want, just move it around again. Just like that. Once you're done rinsing off, just move your hair if you want to massage it. You don't have to, but I just do it. Alright, now I'm done, and here you go. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna turn off the water and hold it. Alright, so now we're done. Well, I'm not gonna dry my hair with the towel. I'm not gonna dry it with the towel. Let's see. I'm not drying my hair with the towel. I'm just drying my whole body. Just my neck, my face, but not my hair. My hair, well, the hair, we're just gonna let it dry off like this, just air dry. Cause you want it wet when you're gonna go to sleep. Cause when you go to sleep, you're gonna, it's gonna be wet a little bit. So like when you go to sleep, your hair just like, it's gonna go back, right? When you lay down, it's all gonna get crushed up when you lay down on your pillow.
So it's gonna dry up like that, and when you wake up, it's just gonna wake up a little bit curly for me. So yeah, we just want to dry off like this. Just shake your hair. Like, hey yo, but yeah. So just keep on drying like so. Yeah, hey yo. I look dumb, but yeah, don't overdo it. Don't over. Just try to get it as dry as you can. But hey, I got my phone wet. Whatever. Yeah. And then just keep drying your face and everything. Just like that. But yeah. And then really, the last tip I already told you, just after you're out the shower, just let it go like that. And then try to go to sleep in like the next 5 to 10 minutes. About the next 5 to 10 minutes. So that way, you know, when you lay down, your hair's still kind of wet. And then, so that way your hair just dries up while you're sleeping. But yeah, try to keep your hair like, just try to put your hair when you're sleeping like behind, so that way that when you lay down, the pillow just, you know, the pillow and everything, it just crushes your hair like that. And what it's gonna do is when it's crushed up, it's gonna dry up like that since it's still wet. So when you wake up, it's dried up and it's just gonna be all curly and funny. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not much to it, but yeah, the one I used was this. What's that? And then to wash my hair, the shampoo I use, because that's the conditioner. To wash my hair, I just use this one. Yeah. That's pretty much it. And if y'all trying to feel like all fresh and all, to body wash and everything, yeah, dude, you feel me? You got that. You got Axe, but yeah, that body I use for body wash, just everything. Then to the shampoo for my hair, right here, feel me, right there, straight from Costco, Kirkland, yes sir. And then this one, you know, I really don't know where my parents got it, but it's right there. So yeah. Alright, look, we're back. So I just woke up, as y'all can see. Look, I just slept with my hair wet, had some conditioner in it. It's looking pretty good. So let me know if this video helped you guys. Yeah, if it didn't, let me know what else I can do. And just comment down below. Yeah, like, comment down below also. Tell me if I should do more videos like this or what I should do them on. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace. That's gonna end this video. We out. Peace. Oh, hold on. Don't forget to subscribe if y'all want more how to keep your hair, you know, how to keep your hair healthy, how to look good for me. Get the girls, you dig. Alright, but yeah, we out. Peace. Next time.